Crafting effective learning objectives for dry, mandatory topics like information security can be tough. Sarah, the instructional designer, needs objectives that are clear, measurable, and drive real behavioral change. Join her as she uses Prompter AI ID to meticulously build the ideal prompt for an AI to generate these vital objectives. Andy is the ultimate host. He introduces himself and asks Sarah for her name. Let's take a second to discuss the prompt selection shown on this slide. You can craft a basic prompt by selecting one basic prompt, which covers anything not covered by the specialized selections. For instructional design-related prompts, the choices include crafting learning objectives, designing engaging scenarios, developing assessment questions, generating SME interview questions, and building a course or module outline. Sarah selects 2, crafting learning objectives. Now Sarah is asked the purpose for her objectives. What specific skills, knowledge, or attitude should learners be able to demonstrate? Sarah defines a purpose: ensuring employees can apply new data handling procedures and spot phishing threats. Next, Sarah is asked who the target audience is for this training, to which she replies, all company employees with varying technical literacy. Note that for task, Sarah's choices are dynamic, because she selected learning objectives in the beginning for the type of prompt. So A is major style, B is smart principles, C is to focus on clear action verbs from a specific taxonomy such as Bloom's, D is to generate well-written, general learning outcomes, and E is other, meaning you can specify your own task. Sarah selects B, smart principles. Next, Sarah is asked the context, or what is the overall subject matter, and at what level or scope are these learning objectives being developed? And here is Sarah's long explanation of the context. She was assisted by the free PDF guides on this site. They are there for you to use in your own prompts. Now Sarah outlines the constraints. Targeting Bloom's application level, needing 3 to 5 learner-centric objectives, and avoiding overly technical jargon. Next, we are asked which output format the external AI should produce when generating the objectives based on the final prompt. Choices include a numbered list, a table with columns, the potential assessment method, and a paragraph explaining how to write good objectives. Sarah selects a numbered list. What AI role should the external AI adopt? This is actually very important to returning good results for our efforts. What tone do we want for our final learning objectives? The choices are formal and precise, clear, compliant, or other. Sarah selects clear, action-oriented, and learner-centric. Finally, Sarah is asked if there are any other details that are crucial for crafting these learning objectives. Once Sarah is done with her input, the Prompter AI engine goes to work crunching a final prompt. And paste the prompt in your favorite AI. After several seconds of churning, the final prompt is delivered. It is ready to be applied to your favorite AI. Above the final prompt, on the upper right-hand side of the prompt, you will see a copy icon, or you can simply highlight the text and copy. And paste the prompt in your favorite AI. You should see some buttons that will display what happens when you post the prompt in the respective AI.